Welcome to the Rock Your Class Math Minute, brought to you by me, your host, Etienne, with ideas and strategies taken from and inspired by the #1 best-selling book, Rock Your Class. Get ready for today's Math Minute topic.
Bar graph.
What does the dictionary say?
A graph using parallel bars of varying lengths, as to illustrate comparative costs, exports, birth rates, etc.
Math rap.
Rectangular bars designed to show the facts, drawn horizontal or vertical on a graph, to show how large each value really is, to compare and contrast what exists.
Math rap.
Make a human bar graph. Arrange 5 people standing side by side from tallest to shortest. Now rearrange them by birth dates, January to December. Ask 5 other people these 3 questions and make a bar graph based on their answers. Make your side values read from 0 to 5. Question 1. How often do you brush your teeth in a day? Question 2. How many times a day do you sing out loud? Question 3. How many times a day do you accidentally bump into something? Now it's your turn for some inspection and reflection. You can rewind, rewatch, and pause any part of today's Math Minute. Complete the activity tool, then share your ideas with a partner, in a small group, or with the entire class. Enjoy exploring and discussing today's Rock Your Class Math Minute. May all your math minutes rock!